Welcome to Speak English Easy. Hello, I'm Emma, and I am here to help you improve your English through stories. Learning English is easy. Today's story is about me when I just moved to a big city. Listen carefully, learn new words, and enjoy the story. Emma is 25 years old. She moves to a big city to start a new job. It's a big change. It is her first day. She wakes up early. She wears her favorite white shirt and black pants. She eats a quick breakfast, just toast and coffee. Emma takes the subway. It's crowded. Many people are rushing to work. She feels nervous, but also excited. After 10 minutes, she gets off the train. She looks around, tall buildings, cars, people, but then she feels confused. Something doesn't look right. She checks her phone. This is not the right station. Her heart beats faster. She's lost. She takes a deep breath. Don't panic, she tells herself. Just ask for help. Emma walks to a coffee shop nearby. She tries to stay calm. But inside, the cafe is noisy. She can't hear well. She waits in line. She wants to ask for help, but suddenly, her phone dies. Now she doesn't even have the address. Emma feels like crying. What do I do now? Just then, a woman behind her says, "Are you okay?" Emma turns around. I think I'm lost, she says. The woman smiles warmly. Don't worry, I know that look. I was new here once, too. Emma tells her the name of the building. You're just 2 blocks away, the woman says. Come, I'll walk with you. Emma is surprised and thankful. They walk together. 5 minutes later, they arrive. You'll be great, the woman says before leaving. Emma walks into the office building. She is 10 minutes late. But she made it. And today she learned something important. It's okay to ask for help, and there's always someone kind, even in a big city. Emma walks into the building. The elevator is quiet. She presses the button for the 9th floor. Her heart is beating fast. She is still nervous. What if they don't like me, she thinks. The elevator door opens. She sees a big office, bright lights, desks, and people working. A woman with glasses walks up to her. Hi, you must be Emma. Yes, Emma says, trying to smile. I'm Clara, the team lead. Welcome. You're just a few minutes late. Don't worry. Clara shows Emma to her desk. It's near the window. There is a computer, a notebook, and a welcome card that says, "We're happy you're here, Emma." Emma feels a little better. Clara introduces her to the team. There's Mike, who wears headphones all the time, Lucy, who waves and smiles brightly, and Ben, who doesn't say much but nods politely. Emma sits at her desk. Her fingers shake as she opens her email. Her first task, write a short report about a company client. She starts typing, but suddenly the screen goes black. The computer freezes. Emma presses a few keys. Nothing works. She feels panic rise in her chest again. Oh no, it's my first hour and I already broke something. She looks around. Everyone is busy. Should she raise her hand? Should she wait? Then a sticky note lands on her desk. It says, "Happens to all of us, just press Control-Alt-Delete, Lucy." Emma smiles. She follows the steps. The computer restarts. It works. She looks at Lucy, who gives her a thumbs up. That small act, just one sticky note, made her feel safe. For the next hour, Emma works slowly, carefully. At 10:30, the team takes a break. They go to the small pantry to get coffee. Clara asks Emma, "How's your first day so far?" Emma says, "Honestly, I got lost. My phone died, I was late, then my computer froze." Clara laughs kindly. "Sounds like a classic first day to me." Lucy adds, "Don't worry. My first day, I spilled coffee on Mike's keyboard." Mike nods and says, "True story." They all laugh. And just like that, Emma feels okay. Not perfect, not confident yet, but okay. She finishes her coffee and thinks, maybe I'll be just fine here. Let's take a moment to review some new words from today's story. Crowded. This means there are a lot of people in one place. The subway was crowded. Confused. This means you don't understand what is happening. Emma felt confused when she got off the train. Panic. This means to feel sudden fear or stress. She told herself not to panic. Noisy. A place is noisy when there is a lot of loud sound. The coffee shop was noisy. Address. An address is the name or number of a place. Emma's phone died, and she lost the address. What new word did you learn today? Leave it in the comments and use it in your own sentence. I hope you enjoyed our short storytelling. If you want more of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.